So guys, let's have a look what are the ingredients we need for make the paste. First, flour. That I am taking around 100 grams of white flour and a small spoon of baking powder and oil and hot water. So first we have to put this flour to the bucket like this and mix with baking powder and water, and we have to mix it well. So now I am going to put a bit of oil. So mix it. Like this.
So I just added another tablespoon of oil and I'm going to mix this dough properly like this. You can apply the pressure from your hand, then this dough will mix properly like this.
Now I have made this dough in oval shape like this, and I'm going to keep this one for 2 hours inside the fridge, and then again we will do the same. See, this is after 2 hours inside the fridge, and now it is see, the paste is properly fixed. Now what we are going to do, we will make small pieces and divide to small pieces, and like this prepare small balls like this. Now we are going to fold like nice balls and keep it in the same bowl. See, like this. We are going to fold nice balls. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil like this. Like this. Now again we are going to keep it for like 2 hours. After 2 hours we took it out and we are going to make the roti. I am using this plate. I put a bit of oil on the surface and I am going to make the roti like this. Now we are going to make the roti, and we take one paste like this and we have to make it on the surface like this. See, it is expanding, nicely expanding like this. So now we can put the paste. This paste I will tell you how to make this paste later. We're going to put it like this. This paste is actually potato and fish that is mixed, so you can put anything as you wish, like this. So once it is paste, turn it like this, put like this, and cover like this, and like this, and then roll. Once this is finished, you have to put a bit of oil on a pan and get it heated. This side I'm going to put on the pan like this. This side 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 on the pan. So let it fry a bit. So then we are going to turn to the opposite side. Now after 1 minute, I am going to turn to the opposite side like this. See, right opposite. This one also will turn opposite. This one also. So we are having two flat surface now. Then it is easy for the cooking of the other side. Like this. So like this we will keep for about 1 minute. We are going to turn the other side like this. See? Like this. Like this, like this, and you can keep this one also in the same line. Now let's keep the same way like for 1 minute. So then we can turn the same way. We will cook this side. We will turn to the opposite. We have to do this one at low flame. See, now I have already turned the other sides also. Now 4 sides properly cooked. So I'm going to turn to this side and this side. Now like this, we are cooking the other side. So the last side also we are going to cook like this. The final round I am just heating the other side just for 30 seconds. Then our fish roti is finished. Okay guys, now see that our fish roti is ready to serve. This is very yummy. You can have this one as a snack, and this is very popular in like most of Asian countries, and you can try at your home. And I am really happy to see your comments and likes, and you can share with your everyone. And guys, thank you very much for watching.